Okay. I request Mr. Hemant Agarwal to join us. Hemant will be talking about water and the need for groundwater, really to say, and why we do have depletion. So he'll be touching briefly on those aspects. Mr. Hemant, please come and join. He's an entrepreneur. He's running a marble business. He's a very active volunteer. He participated from day one in this project for these 7 years. We guys are walking through together on this path, and it's a wonderful journey with him. Welcome, Hemant. Please go ahead. You can unmute yourself. Dr. Shivkumar, can you unmute?
Yes.
Please.
I have asked him to unmute.
You're good
Yes,
to
he
go
can.
now.
Yes, he can talk.
Good morning, everybody. I am Hemant Agarwal, a volunteer in the River Rejuvenation Project team. I'm an executive member of this team, and personally, I'm a businessman doing business in granites and marbles. And today, I'm here to give a very brief overview of groundwater management, and I'll start with importance of water in our daily life. Water, which is stored in the aquifers below the earth's surface, naturally is known as groundwater. It makes up around 75% of the earth's surface area. 60% of our body weight is also water. Life on earth is supposed to have originated in our oceans first. All plant and animal life need water to survive. There can be no life without water on earth. That is the importance of water. The importance of water in our human body. Water creates saliva and aids in digestion. Water boosts our metabolism and energy levels. Water also helps in excretion. Water regulates our body temperature. It helps us to take bath every day, clean our clothes, utensils, and maintain hygiene by cleaning all the surfaces. Water is also used in manufacturing of most of the products that we use every day. In short, no water, no life. Groundwater depletion and its consequences. The subject matter today. Groundwater depletion is a very serious threat to our environment and breaks the water cycle. Groundwater depletion happens when we continuously and indiscriminately pump groundwater and it does not have enough time to replenish itself. We all think that groundwater is available endlessly. India is a country where groundwater depletion levels have touched very serious levels and may lead to water scarcity and water wars also. Salt water contamination can happen in some areas due to ingress of seawater because of groundwater depletion. Deforestation also leads to groundwater depletion. Groundwater depletion happens because of complete stripping of riverbeds of natural sand. Excessive use of fertilizers leads to hardening of the topsoil over a period of time and prevents percolation of surface water to the aquifers below. Overexploitation of groundwater for commercial manufacturing activities also obviously leads to depletion. How to prevent groundwater depletion? A few suggestions and techniques which have been used presently. Government regulation of groundwater use is not there in India, and it is very important that the government comes out with a policy plan. We have to start recycling of water majorly, and we have to do rainwater harvesting compulsorily everywhere. We also have to find alternative sources of water. Afforestation, planting of trees is also a very important part of water conservation. We have to move towards organic farming and stop using chemicals in farming activities. And a few methods which we as a team already are using for groundwater recharge are recharge wells, injection wells, water pools, and there are many more such methods above. We have to work towards sustainability of all the above methods for complete water sustainability in future. Thank you so much.